Hello, I'm at the office and no any wind problem, and you can hear my voice so easy, right? Okay, let me tell you about what happened in Okinawa this week. Actually, the last weekend to today. At first, the cherry blossoms festival. If you have been to been to Okinawa before, in especially the winter season, the most fun and the most beautiful festival is the cherry blossom festival. In Okinawa, cherry blossoms bloom not in April as Japan, in January, end of January through February. And the festival in 2021 will be cancelled because of coronavirus COVID-19. That's so sad, and many foreigners living in Okinawa feeling very sad. I understand. Yeah, that's too bad. And another one, the Shuri Castle revealed support calendar will be published soon. The Kobundo Communication Company has announced that they will publish a limited edition calendar for 2021. All money raised will go to the Shuri Castle rebuilding project, support project. And each page of the calendar will feature information about the arts, the crafts, and the structures that have been featured at the Shuri Castle Park. So each month with a picture is showing and featured at the Shuri Castle many things. The calendar is printed in the size B3 in Japanese size, which means measures 364 times 515 millimeter. So like double size about radar size, and will be sold for 1,500 yen each calendar. This will be a limited edition and with only 3,000 copies. Orders can be placed online or by calling Kobundo Communications, but they not noticed the website address yet, so we will add the address when we got it. Third topics number 3. N-Bus offers free rides in Nanjo City. N-Bus is a local community loop line bus service driving around Nanjo City. Nanjo City is located at the southern part of Okinawa. And that means the N-Bus, Nanjo City bus. They will celebrate their first year anniversary for this service and will be offering free rides on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays until November 1st. Regular fare is 300 for adults and 150 yen for children 6 through 12, and free for children under 6 years of age. But during this time until November 1st, you can get a free rides and on weekend, and get a free souvenir during the campaign town. The interior of the buses will be decorated in Halloween style during this time. Ooh! The head terminal for the N bus is in Nanzo City Hall. So you can ride the bus and step off at the Nanzo City Hall building. It's easy to ride and easy to step off, right? And you can park your car out there and you can ride around the Nanzo City. That's good idea. And please check the bus line at the N-Bus official site. I will put the address after the video. Please check it. N-Bus looks forward to seeing you. Free to ride and you can watch around the Nanzo City. Many good places. And topic 4. It's long today, right? And it's good for you who lives in Okinawa. AEON Ryukyu company announced this special sale. AEON Ryukyu company has announced that the 39 stores of the AEON Ryukyu group in Okinawa will have a 500 yen super sale from October 1st through December 1st. This will include the max value supermarket also. You know that, right? AEON Ryukyu and max values supermarket. The sales will include mostly food items and daily goods and designated items that will be priced under 500 yen each. And AEON Ryukyu says that due to the COVID-19, customers are watching their budgets very carefully, and we should offer the items to the local community as much as possible. That's good. Since foreign tourism is currently very limited, yes, and we want to offer support to the local Okinawan community, they say. Good job, right? So you can try to visit AEON supermarket and max values, and you can get a very reasonable, means under 500 yen items very much. Okay, and today that's all, and we are feeling the typhoon number 14, but it's a come to the mainland, so we are okay, but we are a bit worried about mainland Japan. Please take care. Not such as big than before, but we should be careful about that. And you too, don't go to the swimming. Surfing is not good too. And probably the typhoon season will be end soon. Let's take care of it, and then let's have a good weekend. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.